Hey guys, so what we got right here is a 3500 Duramax. My dad bought this truck and it's not in the best shape, let's say it like that, and he wants us to do something with it. The crazy thing is it's only got 138,000 original kilometers. It's a 2004 long box, but it runs very smoothly. So let's go check it out from the outside, what we're gonna have to do. So yeah, let's do it right now.
Yeah, this thing needs bigger tires too. Or maybe a straight pipe. Oops.
So here we are at our garage. This is where all the work is gonna get done. And yeah, let's open her up and check out what we got in there.
A few little oil leaks.
Yeah, I got some oil leaks from my brother's car. He's
Working
on fixing it, so we'll see how long that's gonna take.
Truck's
And
priority right now.
this is the garage, so it's pretty roomy, and yeah, we're gonna have the box in here first, and then we'll put the whole cab in here afterwards. It's the truck's not gonna fit all at once, so we're gonna have to take it apart and do it all in here. Yeah.
Hey guys, so just wanted to give you a little update on what we've been doing. So this is the box from my dad's Chevy Silverado 3500. It's a 2004. And it's got lots of little dings and dents in it, and also the car some rust. So we're gonna patch all that up and give it a brand new paint job. We still haven't decided on the color yet, but we're thinking something dark gray. And then yeah. So what we've been doing the past couple of days was, so out of the pallets, we just got some pallets, pretty big ones, cut them all up. And then just use that to build this frame for it. It's pretty solid, that's for sure. Very sturdy. I have to be the cameraman and show you guys all this. I have no cameraman today. But yeah, we got it on here. We got the box off the truck. We took out the headlights, taillights, my bad. And then took out all these pins here that are pretty much for the holding the tailgate level. Like, let me just show you right there for these guys. And then where it latches on, obviously, right there. But we're kind of on a hold, like we got all the dents out for the most of the part. Like this one was pretty bad, so we still gotta work on that. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but yeah. There's a lot of little dents everywhere. So it'll be a lot of work, but it'll be nice. And this is where the fender flares were. So a little bit of rust there, a little bit of rust there. But for the most part, I'm kind of surprised on that there's not that much rust. Most is like down here, which will be very hard to get to. And then we might be taking these guys out too, but that's gonna be a challenge. So we'll have to see about that. We got all those, there was a chrome piece on top of here. We got it all off, but the tape, I don't know, double side tape maybe, whatever it is. It's gonna be tough to get off too, but we'll get her, we'll get her. Yeah. So the weekend's over and we're back to it. So just gonna show you, yesterday we just kind of tried it out just a little bit. Just wanted to see how that sander works. It's this guy right here. Get the clear coat off, and yeah, and go from there. Okay guys, so we just got finished sanding everything. All the rust spots, all the dings and dents. Now you can actually see how much there was. You wouldn't see it before on how much there was. All these little ones. So that was a lot of work. So I didn't want to, we were working more than filming, because the sanding process is not very fun, so I don't think you guys want to see all that. We'll just fast-pace it, or yeah, fast-pace the video of the whole process. And my dad sometimes did the sanding already while we weren't here, because like I said, mentioned before, we are still working full-time while doing this. So yeah, just show you this whole progress. Next step is Bondo, filling everything, all the little cracks and crevices. It's 1, it's 2, it's 3, there's the 4th. All projects, these 3 are done for the most part, except that last one, having a little bit of issues with that. The last one at Ultima there, that black one. And yeah, but we'll get that going too. We're getting the part on tomorrow, I believe, so, which we're changing out a transmission. It's a CVT, yeah, so whole subframe has to get dropped and stuff like that. We'll be doing that right here, I guess, and then yeah. Hey guys, welcome back. So here we have my dad's pickup box right there. We finished sanding all the fender flares, the tailgate, and we got a lot of dents out here. But and my dad went ahead already to Bondo it all as best as he could, and we're still gonna go over that a little bit tomorrow because it's still not quite perfect. But we couldn't get that filmed because we were still working, and he did that in the meantime. So let me just show you all that. You can see how big the patches are. Like, it's pretty crazy how many dents were in there. It's insane. And yeah, same thing pretty well with this side right here. Look at this whole area here, like it's insane. But he did a pretty good job, honestly. But yeah, so we haven't been filming much and explaining everything, because we were kind of busy with that Ultima, and so we did finish the transmission on that one, and it's working fine now. All we have left to do is to replace 2 more bulbs, the headlight bulb and the fog light bulb, and also we did take it for an alignment today, and so it's pretty well almost ready to go. But yeah, we'll finish that up also today. The 2 headlight bulbs, or the headlight bulb and fog light, we'll finish that up today, so that one is good to go then after that. And then we'll actually focus on something else, but I'll show you first what we got today. So today we went ahead and did a whole we went on a shopping spree kind of thing. It's insane. So we got got a few rags, of course, but we got all the paint for the truck. So we are gonna go with a jet black for this pickup, not a gray anymore. And yeah, we went ahead, got all the primer, the base coat, the clear coat, and then also we got a bit more body filler, of course. And then acetone, of course, just to clean everything up, and that we already had the surface cleaner. Also, we went ahead and got the Duplicolor Bed Armor do-it-yourself truck bed liner. So that should be fun. We've never done that before. We'll definitely do a film of that once we do that. And then also we got the black rubberized undercoat, which is for the frame and the truck bed, which you can see over here. We tested it out right over there. Looks pretty nice actually, like super nice. So that should make everything definitely flow a bit better, everything black. I'll get to that in a second here. We also got this guy right here, pretty heavy duty stuff, just to get all the rust and most of it off from the frame, which I'll take you over right now. My brother has been working on that already since while we were doing the shopping. So pretty well we're gonna remove all the rust here and all that stuff, and paint it all with that undercoat guarding. And that's it. That should be it's gonna be a long process. But yeah, he did a little bit today. He's gonna go ham on that tomorrow, get that all done. But we're gonna do something a little bit different today. I actually, while we were shopping, I had to have it. We got the mud flaps, the ram. This one's gonna be for the back. Pretty heavy duty thing. Check that out, how thick that is. It's crazy. And then I'm gonna use these ones for the front. These are like pretty expensive. But I don't have any mud flaps on my truck right now, so we're gonna go ahead and fix that. I don't wanna get pulled over and get a VI or something like that. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Take care of that today, and the headlight bulb for the Ultima, also the fog light. I think he's gonna continue a little bit more on the frame, and yeah, we'll go from there. Hey guys, so we just got the ram mud flaps on there on the ram. That looks pretty great. We got the ram done, we got the Ultima done, we got those headlights changed, the headlight bulb and the fog light bulb done. We're gonna keep working on the truck over there on the frame, get all that rust away and stuff like that, get it done as good as we can so we can coat it. And we still got the truck box that we're working on. So yeah, there's a lot more content. There's gonna be a lot more content. So if you guys like this video,
Can't forget about the transmission as well. Did that whole thing.
That's true. Yeah, the whole transmission that was.
She's
done.
running good now.
Perfect. It's 100.
Smooth shifting, right? So that's pretty awesome.
Yeah, it took us a little bit to figure that one out, but we got it done, and it's 100% perfect. It's ready. And yeah, so if you guys did like all this content, we have a lot more where this is coming from. So if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and tune into the next one. Peace.